Good morning! Today is a special day. We are going on a trip. I am packing my clothes. I put a shirt in the suitcase. Leo brings his clothes too. We need pants and jackets. Leo closes the suitcase. Zip! It is full! Do we have our passports? Yes, here they are. I have the tickets on my phone. We are ready to fly. Charlie is coming with us. He has a yellow travel bag. Go inside, Charlie. It is a safe bag for dogs. We are ready. Let's go to the airport. Grandpa Arthur and Grandma Rose are here. They will drive us. Hello, Grandma. We are very happy to see you.
Leo puts the heavy suitcase in the trunk of the car.
I carry Charlie in his yellow bag. He is a good traveler. Everyone gets in the car. Close the doors. Grandpa Arthur is driving. The car is moving fast. Leo and I sit in the back. The seats are very comfortable. Charlie looks out the window. He sees trees and houses. Look at the sign! It has an airplane! The airport is near! We are here. The airport building is very big and modern. We open the car doors. We step outside. Grandpa Arthur opens the trunk. Pop! Leo takes the blue suitcase out. It is very big. I carry Charlie. He looks at the big building.
We have many bags. We need a trolley.
Leo pushes the metal trolley. Push, push. He puts the suitcase on the trolley. Now it is easy to push. I put my small bag on top. We are ready to walk. We walk to the big glass doors. The doors open automatically. Magic! Let's go inside. We are inside the airport. It is very big. There are many people. I look around. I see shops and cafes. Grandpa and Grandma look up. The ceiling is very high.
Leo pushes our bags.
Excuse me, coming through.
Charlie looks at the people. He is a little nervous.
We stop. Look at the big screen up there. It is the flight board. It tells us where to go.
Leo reads the screen. He finds our flight.
First, we must check in. We follow the sign.
We walk to the check-in desk. Come on, family. There are many people. We must wait in line. Grandpa looks at his watch. We wait for 10 minutes. Charlie is quiet. He is a good dog. It is our turn. Hello, here are our passports.
The staff smiles. She types on her computer. Leo puts the suitcase on the scale.
The suitcase is heavy, but it is okay. Charlie has a ticket too. He will fly with us. She gives us the boarding pass. Thank you very much.
We have our tickets. Now, we go to security.
Now we go to the security check. We must be safe. The officer says, "Put your bags in the gray box."
Leo takes off his glasses and his watch.
I put Charlie's bag on the belt. Don't worry, Charlie. The machine looks inside the bags. It is very clever.
Grandpa Arthur walks through.
Beep, beep, beep. Oh no.
It is his keys. Metal makes a sound.
Grandma Rose walks through. No beep. She is good.
I carry Charlie in my arms. We are safe.
We have all our bags. Let's go. We are in the duty-free shop. There are many beautiful things. Grandma Rose smells the perfume. It smells very sweet. Grandpa Arthur is tired. He wants to drink coffee. Leo and I go to the cafe. We want to buy a snack.
We buy hot coffee and croissants. Thank you.
We sit down to eat. The coffee is hot and the bread is soft. I am eating a croissant. It is very yummy. Charlie smells the food. But he cannot eat chocolate or coffee. Leo looks at his watch. It is time to go to our gate.
We are full. Now we walk to the airplane gate.
We walk to our gate. We walk to our gate. There are many chairs here.
This is our gate. We must wait here for the airplane.
Grandpa and Grandma sit down.
They rest before the flight.
I put Charlie on the chair. You are a good boy.
Leo looks out the window. Look! A big airplane!
The airplane is very big and white. It has long wings. Grandpa Arthur looks at the airplane. It is wonderful.
Another airplane goes up. It flies into the sky. Whoosh!
I am very excited. We will fly soon. Now we sit and wait. It is almost time. It is time. We can go to the airplane now. I scan my ticket. The gate is open. We walk down a long tunnel. It goes to the airplane.
Oh,
Grandpa Arthur walks slowly. He uses his cane.
Here is the big door of the airplane. We are here.
A nice lady says hello. She works on the airplane. I say hello to her. I am very polite. We walk inside. The airplane is very long. Leo finds our seats. We sit near the window. Leo puts his bag up high. The bag is safe. I sit by the window. Charlie goes under the seat. Leo sits next to me. We are ready. Grandpa and Grandma sit across from us. They smile. I put on my seatbelt. Click. Now I am safe. Charlie is quiet on the floor. He is safe too. The nice lady checks our belts. Good job. I look out the window. I see the... Oh! The airplane is moving. It goes slow.
I hold Leo's hand. I am happy.
The airplane goes very fast. 1, 2, 3, go.
We are flying. The airplane goes up in the sky.
Look out the window. The houses are very small now.
Leo and I smile. Flying is very fun. I see white clouds. They look like soft cotton. Grandpa and Grandma close their eyes. They want to sleep. Charlie is sleeping too. Have a good dream, Charlie. I drink some water. It is nice and cool.
We fly high above the clouds. What a beautiful day.
Our family holiday starts now. We are very happy.
Thank you for flying with us. See you next time. Goodbye.